Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Today I'm super excited. I have this awesome ThredUp box. Now I'm going to do a little unboxing, show you what's in a ThredUp box. I've actually never had one of these. And thank you so much Glammaz Closet who sent me this nice box. Look at how big it is. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see what's inside. I think I've bought from ThredUp before. So let's dive in and see what's in this box. Thank you, Glammaz. Oh my goodness, if I could only get it open. Okay, we're gonna just tear it open. We're gonna see what's in here. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna rip it open. Yeah, there's no etiquette to this today. Actually, it's box night, so it's super perfect. Oh, I see some pretties. Okay, so here is a size. Oh, it's got Newwood tags. So this is a Newport News dress. Ooh, that's pretty. That's actually really pretty for summer. Cha-ching! Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I think there's a matching piece. Okay, there is a matching piece. Size 18. Oh, wow. So it's a suit set. Look at that. I'm probably not standing back enough. But look at this. It's a nice Newwood tag suit set. Now, I sell these a lot for like $50, $60, somewhere in between there. And that's for you. So new, you can definitely find some goodies. I'll try to put some comps up so you can see if I have time. Cha-ching! Ooh, what's this? What's this? I'm so excited. Ashley Stewart, size 18. This is great. These are plus sizes. Plus sizes do sell pretty well on eBay, I think. And this looks like a, what is this? Like a shirt? Okay. It's a shirt with a belt. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's got this belt. It's got a belt in the back. That's neat. Cha-ching! Ooh, what in the, oh wow, what is this? Dippin' Daisies, size extra small. Oh, okay, that's cute. Cha-ching! Ooh, and then we have a size 2 pant. Those are darling Calvin Klein's. Modern essential pants. Very nice. Look at the texture. That's very nice. Ooh, I'm so excited to get these listed. Cha-ching! What's the size? Medium. Oh, that's cute. Look at this t-shirt. That's adorable. I think I'm gonna have to swipe this for myself. That's cute. Okay, so I'm setting this aside. Don't look, this is mine. Cha-ching! Size small, express. This is pretty. Look how pretty this is. Wow, maybe I should stand back a little bit. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got like a little gathered waistline, elastic gathered. Definitely like a secretary chic, secretary core. Look at the little shoulders. That's a size small, super cute if you work in the office or anything like that. Cha-ching! What is this? Oh, these are awesome. Oh my goodness. Look at how awesome that is. These are huge. Ooh. Those are awesome. Okay, I'm definitely gonna sell these. I love like fringy kind of earrings. This would actually look good with this color too, wouldn't it? Okay, so here's a Harborside Graphics, size large. Okay, size large. This thing is huge for a large. Boy, this is really big. I might have to pass this one down for Christmas. I'm sure somebody could use this one. Cha-ching! Oh, this is cool. Okay, so here's a Simply Vera by Vera Wang, and they sell Vera Wang at Kohl's. Yep, this is Kohl's. This is a gray wallet, signature wallet. These are really nice. That's cute. Oh, it's got little compartments. That's perfect. Cha-ching! Here's a size medium express. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is so nice. Glammaz, thank you so much. All this stuff is so cute. Here's like a sky blue express. Like, oh, look at how like 20s. That reminds me of like the 20s. That's like a sky blue, really pretty if you work in an office. Size medium, or if you just like dressing up. Very nice. Cha-ching! This is definitely a treat because I don't usually get like new tags. So that's awesome. Okay, so here is a Johnny. This is cute. What size is this? This looks, oh, extra large. Look at how cute this is. It's really soft, like you could sleep in this. That would be cute to sleep in. And it's just kind of like a t-shirt with gathered sides. Ooh, I found some more goodies. Ooh, here's some earrings. Those are so nice. Look at these earrings. Oh, those are so cute. These are perfect for Christmas. I'm gonna keep those in my stash. And the, oh, look. Ooh, look at these. These are cute. They match my shirt today. Look at that. Ooh, and she even put a card. If you're not subscribed to Glammaz Closet, I'm going to put a link down below and then you can subscribe to her. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, she even put a card in there. Congratulations on winning the new tags box. And thank you so much for supporting my channel, XO Glammaz. Oh, thank you so much, Glammaz. That's so nice. So I'm so thankful. Thank you so much, Glammaz. This was so much fun to open this, and it's definitely a treat having new tags. I don't usually find new tags around here. This is so much fun, and I really, really appreciate this gift. Thank you. So if you're wondering what's in a ThredUp box, look at what I've done to this thing. I would definitely recommend them. Go out and get a box, resell those items. You can probably sell one item and make up for that whole box. So especially on that suit set, I know with suit sets, I sell them all the time. And I don't even usually sell them new tags. So you can definitely get your money out of that. So, okay, everybody, I hope you have a really good day. Thank you for visiting and watching this video. Subscribe and like and leave a comment if you found something cool lately, or if you like ThredUp boxes. I'd love to know, have you bought ThredUp boxes before? Okay, bye. See ya.